Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. I am here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is an after video for Tailored for Two. Before I show you the hull, I'm going to go ahead and talk about all your zincs. You have two 1.5 inch shaft zincs. You have two R3 rudder zincs. We could probably go up to R4s or even R5s for them. You also have one diver plate. It's a DP612 on the transom. And then you have these two cylindrical trim tab zincs that are on the farthest trim tabs out. So I'll go ahead and get those on video, and we'll go from there. Alright, here we go.